Lord Banks FX welcomes you to this live stream of live Forex trading. A whole 3 hours of news.
We begin with that wild ride on Wall Street.
We're seeing new record highs on the S&P and NASDAQ.
Interviews.
Some will make money, some will lose money, but that's just the way the markets always work.
Analysis and live trades. So sit back, lock in, and load up your trading terminals. And let's get this rocket to blast off. Introducing your host, Lord Banks FX. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
Yo, what's good, everybody? What's good, everybody? Welcome to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex, commodities, and indices Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yes, Wednesday as well. Sorry I'm a little late, fellas. Sorry I'm a little late. I'm going to jump right into it and get this analysis knocked out. Gonna go kind of quick here, guys. We're running kind of late. Top-down analysis, no indicators, no foo-foo, straight price action. Reading the candlesticks. We got a little level of support here. It looks like it already created the bottom wick, created lower wicks on the monthly. We have about 15 hours left on the monthly candle. Looking at the weekly, same kind of movement here to the downside. Ugly price action with all these wicks. Disgusting. Looks like here it's just been wicking and rejecting to the downside. But overall, moving in a downtrend. Oh, sorry. Daily. What did we close yesterday? Yesterday we closed a bearish inside candle here. Like this candle closed inside this bar. So we could potentially continue to the upside because look, it didn't break the previous low or the previous high. So maybe we see this continue to the upside. It looks like it already created the low. Could be looking for that movement to the upside.
Hello, motherfucker.
Looking at the 4 hour, we're going to establish our tops and bottoms here. Real quickly. With the quickness, baby. You guys thought I wasn't going to show up today, huh? We're fine on the 1 hour. 15 minute, we establish our range. So we can get a nice little breakout. Just about right there. Oh, she's breaking out right now. She's breaking out right now, but she's already making the move. This is about 15 pips. It's kind of too tight, too close. Damn, this is ugly. Like, ugly. Yeah, I don't really like GJ. Because look, if breaking out below here, I mean, we got like really short gaps here. I mean, we have a nice opportunity to the upside. About 30 pips right there. Take that for sure. Second target right there. Third target. potentially 30, 60, 73. But to the downside, really the only opportunity we have is right here. From here to the bottom of this, which is about 15 pips. Just breaking out right now. We got about 8.5 minutes. I don't really like this price action to the downside, but this is like the best setup you can get on this right now. Shit. About 15 pips, 22, 30. Obviously, you know, we wait for the candle to close. We got about 8 minutes. Oh my gosh, come on. She pulled back up within it. This is GBP JPY 15-minute chart. Sending it out. With the quickness, baby. With the quickness. Bet many of you thought I wasn't gonna show up, huh? 15-minute chart sent. Sending the link out to YouTube chart or YouTube chat. Boom. The back and neck massage everything. Alright. This is set up. I'll get alerted when it's ready. Let's look at gold. Reset chart. Go ahead, delete everything. Clean charts. No indicators. No foo-foo. Oh, she is melting. Look at that. She's probably gonna fill this wick. It's a monthly, weekly, nice market structure to the downside. Daily. Yesterday's candle, bearish. It did not break the previous low. Looks like we might test that, fill that. We got a little level of support over here around 1717, and then down here around 1696. On the daily, let's look at the 4 hour, establish our tops and bottoms. Quickly. Beautiful. I like it. Move down to the 15-minute. Establish our range. What are we looking at here? To the upside. About 58 pips. pips, not bad. Not bad. 58, 85, 100. To the downside, looks like actually no, from here to here, no, here to here, no, here to here, no. Let's see. Probably looking at something. Yeah, lower than that. Just trying to find the price action. What does this measure out to be? 13 pips. Ugh. I have to move it down to here. Sorry, can you guys hear me okay? Like talking really low. I just woke up, guys. Yeah, I don't know what the hell happened with my alarm. It like was literally going off right now, like while I was starting the stream, which is not the right time. Should have been going off way earlier. Way earlier. There's some nice like space to go to the downside. Nice. If we break down through here, 59, 60, 80, 130. Dang, son.
Hello, motherfucker. Hello, motherfucker.
Hello, motherfucker. Hello, motherfucker. Yeah, I'm still banned off on TikTok, guys. Potential sales below 1719 358. Yeah, TikTok banned me for life doing lives. Pressing down, close. And yeah, I appealed it. I'm waiting for them to decide. My fate is in their hands. Alright, alert is set. Just label this chart. Okay. Gold on the 15-minute. Sending it out to Telegram. Well, that looks weird. Sending it out to YouTube. Oh, GJ's breaking. Damn, everything is breaking. Alright. It just barely broke. It's about a 9 pip. You know, I'm gonna put 10 pip. 10 pip. Oh, fuck.
Hello, motherfucker.
I'm gonna wait for this to pull back and enter on the GJ with the 10 pip stop loss at around 161750. The reason I'm waiting because there's no wick to the top. I'm hoping that this still pulls up a bit, but if it breaks below here, it's probably not gonna do it. GJ, guys, GJ. GJ for a sell if I can get it to pop back up. Retrace. Retrace, baby, retrace. Damn it, man. It's probably not gonna fucking retrace. Come on, baby. At the bare minimum, I need it to come back right here. Man, don't do it. I think I might have missed it. It's 116. Jesus. If we come back to this point, like 161.72 to 75, like I'm gonna enter a sell. I'm gonna enter a sell. Oh no, probably not. It broke the low. What a bastard. Ah, yeah. That was my opportunity right there too, because this is the only decent price action. Damn. Damn, damn, damn. Look at that. We're gonna have to move some shit around here. Damn. The GJ swing trade is still valid, yeah. I mean, it's in profit. Like, I wouldn't be looking to jump into that. Like, we are already in hella profit. And I'm still in that. Like, it hasn't hit TP1. I'm not jumping into this, guys, because it already broke the previous low here. It doesn't have a wick to the top, and I think it's probably going to come and hit this like target level before it pulls up. We just missed it, man. I mean, it was kind of tight, to be honest. Like, literally closed on the line, and then this thing just melted. So maybe it was a good thing that we didn't get in, because the next candle's probably gonna pop up. Watch. Let's just see what happens. We're not in a like London breakout trade sell. There is a swing sell that I called earlier yesterday that is currently active. We are currently in profit on that, like 35, 40 pips. But it hasn't hit TP1. That's completely separate from this. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you must not be in the free Telegram, because I shared that. That was the freebie of the week. One of the trades that I trade for in my VIP. I sent it out. That was the freebie of the week for the free Telegram. Honestly, what I need to do here is I just need to move this to break out of this area, this like range right here, which is about 161.557, and let's see to the left where our best price action is right here. Yeah. Just to cover these wicks alone, it's about 42. Jesus. It's just choppy price action. Choppy price action. Just making some slight adjustments, guys. About 13, 14 pips, 25. About 40. Oh, yeah.
Hello, motherfucker.
See how it goes. See how it goes. See what the news has for us today. We got European news at 4 a.m. So we should be done by then. We got some USD news coming in the morning for NY. For New York session, GDP for Canadian 7:30. Okay. I mean, we should be good for London. Should be good for London. What's going on, everybody? Let me go into the comments, see how everybody's doing today. Let's get it. Joseph, what's good? David, Sonny, what's good? Ben, CJ, Richard. Let's get it. Let's get it. Cypher, FX Bounty Hunter, what up? What up? Dylan, morning. Frederick, Nathan, good morning. Good morning. Let's go. Morning, Ryan. Oh, we got King Tox in the house. We gotta win today, baby. Ben, Frederick, Lil Bake was good. Crispy, CJ, US 30 was insane yesterday. It was insane. That New York session was insane. Good morning from London. Joined the VIP last night. Looking forward to some good times. Yes, sir. US 30 sales. More than 1,500 points from your son, DJ. That was CJ. Yo, we caught about like 2,000 pips on US 30 New York session for VIP yesterday. For the live stream, the recap is in the Telegram, the VIP Telegram. Yeah, so like price action on GJ right now is ugly on a smaller time frame. Just because I think it's trying to break out of this area. On a higher time frame, we have like a 1 hour and 4 hour trend line that it looks to be coming down to test, but it has like a lot of downwards pressure, so we could see it break that trend line and then come test lower zones. See, now it's pulling back up, but this thing has already created a new low, so it could easily just continue up now. You know, you never know. CJ, you bet against me, brother. I'm looking at your in the LBFX member setups. He said, I will place bets that there's gonna be no live today, and then I jump on. That's funny. Yeah, I woke up a little late. Better late than never, baby. I am here. What's good? We got about 215 people on here and only 45 likes, guys. Let me get some more love. Let me get some more likes in this thing and I'll send out a trade. How about that? I'm just kidding. I don't control the markets. I'm gonna send out a trade when the market tells me it's ready for me to send out a trade. Womp 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 womp. See that? Look at that. If we would have chased that sell. It'd been pulling up. It'd have been pulling up. It'd have been pulling up. We got another 800 points for the people after New York. Yeah, I saw that. Congrats, congrats. Killing the game. Making that money.
Hello, motherfucker.
Live Forex Trading with Lord Banks, FX.
Wake up, people. Wake up, people. Man, I totally forgot to Oh, snap. Guess what? I just got a notification from TikTok. We reviewed your live and found it didn't violate our community guidelines. Thank you for helping us maintain a safe, respectful TikTok community. Your access has been restored. Should we go live on TikTok? Or screw them? Was good, was good. Let's see. TikTok ain't ready. TikTok ain't ready. Give me my damn access back. I need to stop talking about that special sneaky link. Let's go, baby. Let's see if TikTok will appreciate the live today. Just being patient, guys. Being patient. Let's see here if I would have been on time. If I would have been on time, this would have been the candle. I would have marked it up, put range probably right around there. It would have broke out right here. I would have entered here, put my stops here, and it would have been in profit right now. Probably hit TP1 already. Yeah. It did a nice little wick to the top too. Damn. But that range right here, this range right here would have been 71 to... It would have just been like 10 pips. Tell CJ to stream New York. Oh. Excuse me. CJ's gonna be on Trading Nut. Well, if he wants to. Trading Nut reached out to me. The violation was adult content and nudity. I think it was because I kept saying that link was a certain link and it wasn't a link on the last stream. Welcome TikTok, welcome TikTok. I'm back, baby. They tried to ban me, but I'm back. They can't stop us, even if they tried. Alright, we're just being patient here. Here's the setup for GJ. Here's the setup for gold. We are just waiting on price to trigger an execution here. Being patient, being patient. Got the elevator music in the background because we can't put any other kind of music because we'll get strikes against us on that. Guys, we got 210 people on the live, 71 likes. If you're new here, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 12 a.m. Central Standard Time to 4 a.m. Central Standard Time. Except today I was a little late. Slept in a little bit. But I'm here. Where's your water, bro? Well, I drink a Red Bull first, okay? Calm down. And then I drink water. Let's answer some questions. Are we in a sell now? No, there's no active trade. Good morning. US 30. This morning US 30 was, or yesterday morning. Do you use this same strategy on US 32? No, I don't. I don't use the breakout strategy on I don't use the breakout strategy on US or indices. This strategy, you can use it for any currency and gold. Gold, you have to be careful. Just understand that gold spikes. You want to use this strategy. The way it's intended to be used is leveraging that pre-market and market open volume, right? So you want to be trading this during market open, pre-market open, like, so I do it during London, New York session. I'm scalping US 30 with, if I go live for New York session, it'll be with VIP, yeah, and I'm today's the last day, guys, for VIP. Sorry, I had to check something real quick. I'm supposed to get my new laptop in tomorrow. Pretty excited about that. Saved. I'm in this like little like community group thing on my like activity tracker. And there's like this competition going on for the week, like whoever can have the most, like, I guess, activity, like moving around, working out and whatnot. It's called a whoop. You guys know what a whoop is? Whoop, there it is. Oh man, I cracked myself up. What's your favorite time frame to trade on? I don't really have a favorite time frame. I just have a time frame that's relative to the strategy. So for London session, when I trade the breakout strategy, I'm executing on the 15, but I do top-down analysis, right? You know, if I was swinging, you know, maybe, you know, I'm looking at the 1 hour, 4 hour time frame. My first time here after your trading nut vid, but I'm a newly convert. Lord be thanks for this. Have no idea what it means to us. You're welcome, brother. I'm here for it. Here for it. Find it really hard to backtest strategies. I never find setups. I feel like people cherry pick examples. You know, I think that the easiest way to do that, if you're not using like backtesting software and you're using like TradingView to backtest, you can highlight the time frames of your session, right, of when you're going to be trading. I think there's even like some indicators on TradingView that can do that for you. So then you're not like just looking at the chart randomly in random times. Like, you know, for example, if I'm trading from 12 a.m. Central Standard Time to 4 a.m. Central Standard Time, I block out that time, right? Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, right? So every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I'm just looking at that area and test from there. Some people don't do that and they just look for opportunities, but that means that at all times you got to be like focused and looking at the charts, right? Oh shit. Oh, there it is. What laptop am I getting? Oh, I was talking about it yesterday. I forgot what the I forgot what the specs were, but try to get the best I could. Why is it important to do top-down analysis? Why not going straight to the 15 minutes chart and determine the range? I think top-down analysis is important so you can understand the overall trend and the way the market is currently moving, what phase the market is currently in, whether it's in an uptrend, downtrend, or if it's ranging. It also gives you potentials of what to kind of see, like look for if we're coming to fill a wick, test a level of support, test a level of resistance. Like, it helps you see that on a higher time frame while you're making decisions on a lower time frame. What kind of chair do you have? I don't know, it's like a gaming chair. I don't like it. I need to get a new chair. I went TikTok missed your presence, the great Lord Banks. Sorry about that. They banned me. I had to appeal. I had to appeal and regain access. But I'm back, baby. They can't stop us. Even if they tried, they can't stop us. Even if they tried. morning. Good morning. Is trading about being patient? Yeah, massive amounts of patience. Patience and discipline, baby. Patience and discipline. Welcome guys. If you're new here, consider subscribing, hit that notification bell so you're notified when I go live, just in case I'm late like today.
You're now tuning in to Lord Banks FX.
Just being patient, guys. Being patient, being patient, being patient. Being patient, baby. Being patient, baby. You just woke up my neighbors. Well, tell them to wake the fuck up. We're here to make some money. We ain't here to sleep. We ain't here to make some money, baby. We ain't here to sleep. What is sleep? All right. Looking good, looking good. Hey there, good looking. Man, I wish this damn thing would just make up your mind. Make up your mind. Hey there, good looking. Anybody got anything interesting? I'm using a breakout strategy, guys. This is my own breakout strategy. The red dash and the red dash line, the top and the bottom, is a range I'm looking to break out of. I wait for the candle to reach that area, break and close on the 15-minute, and I read price action to determine if I'm going to enter or not. But damn, man, I wish would have been a nice trade. Would have got in earlier, but it's all good. It's all good. Still a little rangy here. See this consolidation area? Consolidation area. Oh, we'll be better off breaking out to the downside. It's about 1:44. We got about 15 minutes. Got about 15 minutes before London Open, so we'll see how that goes. My recovery is ready for review. Awesome. Every time that intro runs my ASMR, heart goes from 0 to 1,000. That's funny. Oh shit, TikTok can't see. Ooh, man, she's melting. She's melting. Ooh, she's melting. She's melting. Uh-oh. I don't like this candle for it to be the one. Damn it, let me move this back a bit. Because it doesn't have a wick. I don't want it to be this candle to break and close. Hopefully, damn it. It's just gonna fucking melt, watch. Yeah, I don't like to enter on a candle with no wick just because to me it makes it feel like an impulse move. And with an impulse move, there's a correction. And oh, thank God. Yeah. Let it be the next candle. The next candle will be better. About to hit 3
Hello,
a.m.
motherfucker.
Shit's gonna drop. I'm hoping so. Gold is moving. Well, I have alerts set up on gold as well, so here's gold waiting for above or below here. Look like she is pushing down, and so is GJ. Come on, baby. Good morning, good morning. Bro, drink a Red Bull and hit a vape after waking up. Not a great way to start the morning, sir. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me think about that while I finish my Red Bull. Delicious. Hold on, I'm still thinking about it. Bro, if I can't have my Red Bull for my London session, maybe I just won't trade London session. How about that? Oh man, she is really just testing that bottom of the range. Biggest do trade GU? Yeah, if the setup is there. Now, I don't usually look at GU for the London session. The London session, I usually just focus on GJ and gold. Hey bro, you said on live you only trade the breakout strategy. What I only use this to trade what other strategy? I have like a bunch of other strategies, guys. Like this isn't the only one. This is just the one I use during the live, and I won't go over other ones or do anything different than this on the London live session because I'm just going over this, right? GJ, she is testing. Yeah, like I said, I'm hoping that this isn't the candle that breaks. I'm hoping that this candle holds. Then the next candle creates that top wick that I'm looking for, and then could be the one that breaks. Just because there's no top wick on this candle right now, and I don't like that type of price action. Rocking and rolling, baby, rocking and rolling. Yeah, guys, today's the last day to join the VIP as it is right now because there's going to be some changes. If you're already in VIP, don't worry, guys. There's not going to be changes for you. It's just going to be anyone trying to join in the future. There's going to be changes. So just different things. I find London, GJ, and gold is way better. I recommend learning the breakout strategy, simple and effective. Yeah, you know, that's one of the reasons I use this strategy during the lives because, first of all, let me explain something, guys. If you are trading and you're not consistent and profitable right now, probably one of the biggest reasons you're not consistent and profitable is because you're jumping around from strategy to strategy. You're trying to try this, try that, and this isn't working. Let me do this, and that is a problem because you're not allowing yourself enough time to be able to measure your progress and tweak what does and doesn't work, right? And a lot of times it's because you're jumping strategies. You're blurring the lines between the rules set in place between each strategy. Each strategy is going to have its own set of rules, its own way of doing things. And if you're going back and forth from this strategy to that strategy and you can't find that consistency yet, stop doing that. Like, choose one pair, choose one session, choose one strategy. Create your trading plan, follow it methodically, be disciplined, and tweak that until it's working, right? The strategy isn't the problem. You're the problem. You know what I'm saying? You got to tweak yourself to make it work. Not this strategy doesn't work. This strategy doesn't work. Like, I see a lot of people do that, and they jump around from let me swing, let me scalp, let me trade indices, let me trade commodities, let me trade currency. Like, stop doing that. Like, I do that because I've already learned what it takes to be able to execute a strategy effectively. And I know if I'm going to be trading this strategy, I know the rules in place for that strategy. If I'm going to be trading, my US 30 scalp strategy, I know the rules for that. I know if I'm going to do a swing, I know what I'm doing for that. Like, I have that down already, but if you're not consistent and profitable yet, stop trying to grasp at everything. You know what I'm saying? Like, focus on one thing. Let's see here. Hey, on August 24th, you sent a signal to buy GJ with the 30 pips stop loss. This trade hit TP1 and TP2. Could you please explain the reasoning behind that? Yeah, actually that also hit TP3. But I remember it hitting TP3. I just don't remember I'd have to pull up the setup and see the chart to walk you through it. Got that big wick rejection. Yeah, I mean, not really that big, but yeah. Like I told you guys, like, there's no top wick, so probably on lower time frames it's pushing up, which is good because I didn't want this candle to be the one to break. Patience. Just being patient, guys. Today is Wednesday. I will be live for New York with VIP today. Do. What did I tell you? There's a top wick. If it pushes back down. Sheesh. Yeah. How to make that top wick, baby. This is why we also wait for candle closures, guys. Imagine if this was one of those like pending orders and it would have hit this area and just entered a sell and then draw down. We're not in an active trade, guys. Not in an active trade. Cool, man. I ate all day yesterday from that trade, man. You're welcome, brother. You're welcome. Let's eat again today. We like to eat daily, baby. Cover your ears, guys. Cover your ears.
Live Forex Trading with Lord Banks, FX.
Welcome to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex, commodities, and indices. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 12 a.m. Central Standard Time to 4 a.m. Central Standard Time. I told you, I warned you guys. I said, cover your ears. It's coming in hot. Coming in hot. Shit scared me, dog. Gotta wake up. I gotta wake up the neighbors. Gotta let them know. Lord Banks in the house. What's good? What's good? Guys, if you're looking for the link to VIP, you can find it in if this thing you can find it at that link on the screen. It is definitely not any kind of bad link. Oh, maybe this is gonna be the candle. About a 15 pip stop. And but our target one is not a 1-to-1. Damn. I can't enter this one. Can't do it. Risk to reward is not there. I really hope it's the next candle and we have a smaller wick. Got about a minute and 40 seconds. Before London Open. About a minute and 40 seconds. Patience. Patience. Got a minute and 15. Oh man, are you just gonna melt, dude? Wow, yeah. I think she's just gonna melt. Thanks, GJ. Got 50 seconds. I hope she pulls up. 50 seconds. Pull up. Man. 40 seconds, guys. 40 seconds. The reason I wouldn't get into this one is because the risk to reward is not there for me for the first target. Risk to reward is not there for me for the first target. Got about 25 seconds. Damn. Imagine if we would have got in over here. Would have been a nice little melt. Damn. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, she broke right on it. Damn, you know what? If we did this stop. Oh man, we could have probably got in on that pullback. Oh, it's at the pullback. Oh. If this pulls back up into here, this area, then I'll take a sell. Oh. No, never mind. She's gone. Missed it. Fuck. Oh. If she jumps in, I'm gonna jump in, guys. If she jumps in, I'm gonna jump in. Oh, come on. I'll tell you if I'm gonna jump in. If she pulls back up to this area where I have my entry. Oh, I'm jumping into the cell, guys. Jumping into the cell. I'm in.
motherfucker.
I'm in. My entry price was at 55. It's about a 14 pip take profit. Oh shit, it's melting. TP1 is gonna be right here, just below. This is gonna be risky, guys. This is a risky setup. TP1. And she's melting, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Come on. We're up about 8 pips right now. Here's TP2. TP2. This is TP3. We're in an active trade, guys. In an active trade. It's about a 15 pip stop. Currently around entry. If you're looking to get in, you can definitely do so now. It's still valid. Dang, this thing is like whizzing. 161. What is this? She's down about 3 pips, 4 pips, and drawdown. It's all good. Oh, come on now, getting that volatility coming in. London session in full effect. London session is open. Come on, baby. Don't let me down, GJ. Don't let me down. There's the numbers on the screen, guys. We're being patient. Let GJ do its thing. Come on, GJ. Do right by daddy. Pump down for daddy. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We're up about 6 pips. We are in profits, guys. If you're just joining us, we're in an active trade. We're in a sell on GJ. Sell on GJ. Numbers are on the screen. Links are on the screen. Everything on the screen. Melting, baby, melting. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Currently in profits about 4 or 5 pips. If you're just joining, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex, commodities, and indices Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 12 a.m. Central to 4 a.m. Central Standard Time. We are currently in an active trade. We are in a sell. We are in sales on GJ, GBP, JPY, trading the breakout method here, the breakout strategy. We had a breakout here at the bottom of this, entered here, putting our stops above the previous wick, and just allowing GJ to do its thing. Show us your magic, GJ. Give us some of that magic. There we go. Come on, baby. Up about 6 pips. Who took the trade with me? Who took the trade with me? Who's in profits with me? Up about 7, 8 pips. Come on, baby. We're up about 9 pips. Come on, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. Up 9 pips. Come on, baby. Melt. Melt. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Hello, motherfucker.
Got about 5 minutes left on the candle. Got about 5 minutes left on the candle. Showing. Showing. Yeah, she's gonna come down for daddy. She's gonna come down for daddy. Winner circle, baby. Let's eat. Yes, sir. I double dipped when it went back up. Taking it all the way to 161.160. Took the trade earlier. I'm up 20 or so pips. Nice. Be careful with all that. Come on, baby talk. TikTok will ban you for dirty talking again. I know, fucking TikTok. Wow, we got about 100 people on TikTok live. Welcome, welcome. Appreciate the love. Thanks for the likes. We are currently in an active trade. We're in sales on a GJ. 270 people on YouTube. Only 93 likes. Damn. Only 93 likes, guys. Damn. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
You're now tuning in to Lord Banks FX.
Just gonna get the horns ready. Just gonna get the horns ready. Because she's coming. She is coming. Come on, baby. Push, 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 push. Scared the shit out. I gotta keep you guys awake, man. Gotta keep you guys awake. We're about 10 pips, baby. We're about 10 pips. Ooh, TP1. Let's go. Let's go. You know what to do. Adjust your stops to break even. Take partials. Don't get greedy. Don't get greedy. Don't get greedy. That's beautiful, baby. That's another win for the London Live session. Another win for the London Live session. We're up about 16 pips. She's melting, baby. Melting. 17 pips. Let's go. Let's go. TP2 incoming. TP2 incoming. 18 pips. Whoo. Let's get it. Let's get it. Guys, make sure you're following the rules. What do we do at TP1? Please, somebody tell me in the comments.
Hello, motherfucker.
Tell all the newbies what we do when we hit TP1. Come on, baby. I was late and everything, and we still caught a dub. Let's get it. Let's get it. Give me that 50%. Yes, sir. Let's go. Thank you very much. You are the king. You're welcome. You're welcome. Thanks, Lord B. You're welcome. Break even. Yes, sir. I love this, man. Yes, sir. Take 50% and set break even. Yes, sir. We know what to do. We don't get greedy. We play this game methodically. No emotions. We do what we got to do. Nobody should be risking anymore. Everyone should be at break even minimum. And they should be taking partials if you guys want to. Close out the whole thing if you want to. At the bare minimum, you should no longer be risking on the table. Like, you should not have any more capital at risk. She's still melting. About 17 and a half pips. Looking lovely, baby. Looking lovely. Risk free, the way to be. Yes, sir. Take partials and let the runner keep that money coming in. Yeah, I like to call that extra money. That extra money, that fun money. Whatever the runner makes, that's that extra money. Come on, guys. Let me get a like here. We got 283 people on the stream. We just made money. We just made money. I just made everybody money that was in here that took that trade. We hit TP1. Another winner. Another banger. Let's get it. Let's get it. Horn for the people in the back. TP2 incoming. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. She is still melting, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh, our swing trade is about to hit TP1 too. Let's get it. I love it. Come on, baby. Just creating that top wick. Don't break us out at break even. Don't do that. Keep melting. Keep melting. Keep melting, baby. Keep melting. You should definitely do more London sessions, even if we don't get a setup. Yeah, I mean, I do Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, bro. Sometimes I don't make the London live for whatever reason. I mean, sometimes I'm busy, sometimes I oversleep, but yeah, my schedule usually I trade London session Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I don't do Mondays and Fridays. I don't trade Mondays and Fridays. So whatever the runner make is gravy. Yeah, bro, let me tell you one thing, guys. Look, you can't go broke taking profits. Okay, so like when you make that money and secure, like you won, you made money, right? Like, don't get greedy. Don't be like, oh, I wanted to make $1,000 today and I only made 900. You know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta just come in, take your piece, thank the markets, come back again tomorrow, right? It's about 2:17 a.m. We're still in this trade. Slight little pullback. Not concerned with the pullback. Literally came and created that support on our TP1 level, which was nice. I feel like it's just creating that top wick, and then we'll have a continuation. Looking good, looking good. Looking good, looking good. Come on, baby. Melt, melt. Still in this thing. Still in this thing. Oh no, what are you doing? She's gonna. Alright, she broke me at break even. She broke me at break even. Broke me at break even. So we took the TP1 here, 15 pips, and the runner broke even. All good though. We get a win, not taking any L's, and we can thank the markets and come back and do it again. See what gold is looking like. Ooh, interesting. Gold is about to break out to the downside for a setup. Excuse me. Just be a little patient, guys. Be a little patient. Maybe we'll get a second trade here on gold. Hey Banks, do you stay up all night now that you're up, or do you try to get a nap in when you get off at 4 a.m.? No, I mean, I wake up, like this is my morning, so I don't go back to bed. Unless I'm like super tired and I didn't get to sleep before, then I'll go to sleep or take a nap. But for the most part, my day starts like at the beginning of London session. It's just like my time is just shifted a little bit, you know? Like instead of, like it's like if, you know, whenever you wake up in the morning, my morning is technically like at 11 p.m. That's when I get up. Not a mean jelly bean. Not a mean, not a mean. Oh, gold is pushing back up. Creating that level of support. No, I usually go to sleep like by like 6 o'clock. Like 6 o'clock, I'm like getting in bed or going to bed, and usually by like 7, I'm calling it. Yeah, like I like to go to bed by 6 so I can get like a solid like 5 hours of sleep, but sometimes it doesn't work out. Just depends. We had a nice win today. Even though I was late, man, we got a nice win. How about that? How about that? Yo, actually look at this. Remember, our range is dynamic here. That's 22 pips. I will take that. Our buy area just changed. Oh, wow. Our buy area just changed because of the the resistance it created right there. See that? And we have this range here where we have an opportunity. If we close above, it's about 20 pips. 22 pips. 36 pips there. So let's watch this closely. Might have a second chance here. We're here till 4 a.m. So if we get a nice setup, I'll take it. I'm not gonna force anything though. Not gonna force anything. We already took a win on GJ. Let's protect that.
Hello, motherfucker.
Protect that capital. Protect that win. Holy shit, how do you adjust yourself for the weekends? Well, because I don't trade on Fridays, like usually Thursday, like Thursday after I'm done, like I get like my rest, and then Friday and Saturday is just like I sleep in and I'll wake up whatever time my body says it's okay to wake up at. No bottom wick there, Banks. Are we expecting another drop on GJ?
Hello, motherfucker.
Thanks for the sub, guys. Thanks for the subs. Much love. Well, I mean, there's kind of wick, kind of not, but I still expect it to continue down in the long term, right? Because I have that swing sell on GJ that I sent out to the free Telegram. And I'm still in it, but how far up will it go before it continues? Who knows, you know? Right now, because we have London open, we have that volume jumping in, we could see this being the next lower high, right? So it could come up, you know, even test this stuff, even test this area, but I don't know how high it would go at that point. So I wouldn't be looking at trying to jump into a sell here, like, you know, for me, there's no confirmation, no entry point to do that, unless you're just gonna be gambling on a whim, guessing here. But you know, I'm not here to play any guessing games. I'm here to trade methodically, trade based on my strategy, and stay disciplined to that. Hey bro, Dallas Cowboys fan for live, season starting soon, getting pumped up hardcore. Are you able to turn your mic up a bit? Thanks. Yeah, I'm excited about the season starting. See how it goes. I'm gonna have to no, actually it should be fine, but I was thinking, because I do weekly analysis on Sunday, and now I'm gonna be like watching the game on Sunday. I want to go to the home opener, but we'll see. Yeah, today's the last day of the month, man. Today is the last day of the month. Do you not trade New York? I do trade New York. I don't trade it live on YouTube. I trade it with, if I go live with VIP. Otherwise, I just send setups out to the VIP. Today is the last day to join VIP as well. Just FYI. You live here in Dallas? No, I was born and raised in Dallas, but I'm based out of Austin. Do you have season tickets? No, I do not. Although I probably should make that investment. Being patient, guys. Seeing if we get another setup here. Got about 30 seconds left on this candle. Doesn't look like this is going to be the one that breaks out. Just being patient. Nice, man. Just moved to Fort Worth. Loving Texas so far. Awesome. Well, welcome to Texas, brother. Welcome to Texas. We do things a little differently down here. Are you a fan of sports? Yeah, I can say I'm a fan of sports for sure. What would be the changes on VIP? If you're in VIP right now, guys, nothing is going to change for you. It's just what's going to be offered moving forward that's going to change, right? So like if you want all the benefits, I suggest getting into VIP now, because pretty soon it's not going to be all of that in one like group. But if, like I said, if you're in VIP right now, you don't have to worry about anything. That's why I'm giving you guys heads up way in advance. Like, you can join right now and you'll be fine. Nothing will change for you if you're already in. Let's get it. Yo, I don't know if you guys can hear my dog. He's snoring in the background. He's snoring loud. Jesus. 291 people watching, 144 likes. Guys, we took a win on GJ. Hit TP1. Can I get a like? Can a brother get a like? Bible, guns, oil, Cowboys equals Texas. That's funny. We got about 13 minutes left on this candle. 13 minutes left on this candle. This is a gold we're looking at here. GJ is playing around. Playing around. Yeah, I closed GJ. What do you mean? we had TP1 hit. You should have closed partials at the bare minimum, adjusted your stops to break even. If you didn't take partials, it came back and hit break even and it closed out. But if you took partials, you secured the bag, you got a partial win, and it came back to break even. We're no longer in GJ. Ugh. GJ most likely a swing trade. I do have a swing trade active that I sent out to the free Telegram yesterday, and we're in profits on that, about 55 pips or so. We're like, I think like 15, 20 pips away from hitting TP1, but that's not this, right? That was a swing trade I called out yesterday, and we're still in there, like we're still in there waiting for TP1 to hit. Gotta be patient. Got about 300 people watching on our YouTube stream, only 157 likes. Guys, if you gain any kind of value, learn anything, or just enjoy the stream, please consider hitting the like button. And welcome to the show.
You're now tuning in to Lord Banks FX.
How to wake you guys up. What percent partial do you close at TP1? That is subjective. Like that's depending upon your account, right? And I've gone over this. I talk about this probably every stream. Is if it's the beginning of the week, if it's like my first trading day of the week, like if this was Tuesday and I haven't taken a trade, I haven't got a win, I haven't made any profits for the week, I would close 50, 60, 80, 90% and adjust my stops to break even. Right? Because I want to secure some profit for the week. Now, if it was Thursday, I've already made a decent amount of profit. Maybe I want to take the gamble. Maybe I just put my stops to break even and I don't take partials. If I'm in if I'm in my scaling phase, if I'm trying to compound my account and grow my account, maybe I'm taking 50% every single time or 80% every single time. So, like, there's different scenarios, and depending upon your specific scenario, you should be able to answer that yourself. Right? Like, I can't tell you what percentage to close because I don't know what your account looks like. I don't know what you're trying to do with it, you know? So hopefully that makes sense. Let's get it. Let's get it. This is why we wait for candle closures. Look at that. Cracked it and then boom. Melting. I mean, I think gold's gonna pull up a bit. I do think it's bearish on the higher time frame, but I think it's due for a pullback. Yo, we are at 4,877 subscribers. Can we get to 5,000? You guys think we can get to 5,000 today? If everybody watching right now subscribes, we would hit 5,000. We have 300 viewers. We have 300 viewers right now. Ooh, look at gold. Look at gold. What you doing? We got 6 minutes left on this candle. 6 minutes left. Might have a little opportunity here on gold. I'm not in it yet, guys. I'll tell you guys when I jump in. I'm just measuring. Just measuring. Be about an 18 pip stop. First target about 1-to-1. Damn. A lot of volatility. She is moving and grooving today. Moving and grooving. You give future signals. I just got the gold subscription. You mean the VIP subscription? The VIP, guys, is not just a signal room, guys. Like the VIP, you know, I'm doing webinars in there. I'm doing breakdowns. I'm sending out analysis. I'm answering questions. The chat is on. Yes, I send out trade setups, trade ideas, you know, swing trades, intraday trades. All of that stuff is going to be available in there. I do when I go live for New York, I do them in the VIP. So you get all of that. That's what VIP is. Do you trade the news banks? No, I do not. I avoid news like the plague, baby. I ain't about that life. I ain't about that life. I am not about that life. What time is it in London? Right now it is 8:40 a.m. We're 40 minutes into London session. 40 minutes into London session. Just being patient, guys. Just being patient. Gold doesn't look like it wants to play ball. Sheesh. No one should trade red news. It's just a gamble. Hit the casino if you want to gamble. Yeah, I ain't about gambling, man. Well, I mean, like, I definitely love to go to Vegas and gamble and have fun. But when it comes to trading, I do not like to gamble. I'm not here to lose money. I play this game methodically. Rules-based system, and just practice discipline. Swap. Oh, nice. Nice. Cool. Yeah, guys, we're not in an active trade right now. We already took one trade for the day. TP1 hit for GJ. Came back and broke even. Right now, we're just watching gold for a potential setup. The wick came down even further now, which would put us out of it for a 1-to-1. So we wouldn't even be looking at that. If this candle breaks it, it puts us out of our 1-to-1 range. And the only way I could get in would be if it pulled back. Oh, come on. I'm just looking at potential here, guys. Like if the next candle came back, hopefully it's not this candle that breaks. Got about 1 minute and 15 seconds left on this candle. 1 minute and 15 seconds. GJ is moving up. We already took a win on this. She is pushing up. Not really what I'm looking for. Yeah. I mean, we already took a win on this. I wouldn't be looking at this. I mean, there's no setup here for me. Like, we would need to break below here, create some resistance over here for a potential move up this way or something, but no setup for me here. The only thing we have a potential setup on is gold. And like I said, we're waiting. We're being patient. We got about an hour and 15 minutes left on the stream. We already took one win on GJ. And just waiting. Excuse me. How many trades do you take a week, Banks? It varies, man. I mean, I don't decide that because I don't like force any trades. I just trade what the market gives me, right? So there could be days where it's a no trade day. But if I was to take one trade London, one trade New York, that'd be like 2 in a day, right? So it would be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 2, 4, 6, like 6 trades. I always say, like 3 to 5 trades a week. But sometimes it's because I have different strategies too, right? So like London, I'm doing the breakout strategy. And then New York, I'm scalping US 30. And then I have charts marked up where I'm waiting for a certain price to be reached for, trading like a swing trade. So that could execute at any moment, right? So I could be taking my normal trades and then have a swing trade set up, right? Took that sell on US 30. Nice. The one from this morning. She was lovely, huh? She was lovely. Sheesh. Yeah, VIP's been eating. Been eating fat. Eating hella good. How come you like wicks on your breakout candles? It's not that I like wicks, it's that I don't like when it doesn't have a wick to one side, because it makes me feel like that candle is an impulse move. Like, for example, this candle, see how it didn't have a wick to the bottom? And what happened with the next candle? The next candle pushed up, right? So if I'm entering into a sell here and I don't see a wick, then I feel like we'll have that correction move. And what happened, the next two candles were boom, boom, up, right? That wouldn't have been in my favor. But that's not always the case, right? It's not always the case. Like, tap, tap, tapping in. Tap, tap, tapping in. Tap, tap, tapping in. Got about an hour and 10 minutes left here. An hour and 10 minutes. Just watching gold now as it plays around here. Might get a setup here if we get a close above the red dotted line for a potential buy. Let's go, let's go. to sell for US 30 like right now currently is currently moving. No, I'm not. I don't trade US 30 right now. I trade US 30 New York during New York. What's in the room at the back, Banks? Is that where you keep your profits? Nah. The back of the room is my whiteboard. Like I usually whenever whenever I have some challenges or obstacles or things that I need to like find solutions to, I like the whiteboard to flowchart things out, map it out visually. So I have my whiteboard behind me, and then underneath that is my dog's kennel. Like, he's sleeping right now. He's snoring up a storm. What were you listening to earlier when you did the US 30 scalps? It was Valentino Sorelli Club Mix 2022 mashup and remixes. It's just some music on YouTube. Yo, this is crazy. It's pushing down. It's probably gonna come and test this and then shoot up. I don't know. Doesn't look like it's gonna be moving up just yet. GJ is pushing down though. She's close to hitting our TP1 for the swing trade that I sent out yesterday. Oh, what the hell? Y'all saw that? Like it just deleted all of my freaking charts. Jesus. Why you like that, GJ? Why you like that? See that? Massive, like push up and then completely melt. There's no wick to the top though. We already took a win on GJ. We already took our piece. I'm not in anything right now. I am just being patient and seeing if there's a potential setup on gold. We already took our first W of the night on GJ, hit TP1, and right now I am just being patient to see if there may be a possible setup on gold. We got about an hour and 4 minutes left on the stream. Just being patient. Hey bro, I've missed trading with you. Yo, will TikTok ban me, bro? They had to review my channel, I guess. I don't know. They didn't like how many wins we were getting. Could you please explain the GJ swing trade you sent out? Yeah, I guess I could, huh? Because I did send that out to... What is this on? The learner. This one is on the education. This one is the swings. Here's the learn and earn. Wait, this is not the right one. Oh yeah. So here is the GJ swing that I sent out. And this is based on the 1 hour. I sent this out yesterday, guys, so don't try to get into this right now. We're already in profits, like 60 pips. We're close to TP1. So if you look at it on a higher time frame, first of all, I have a swing setup that I've been in over here since like June. This is long-term swing, guys, and it's been in profits, right? So knowing higher time frame, we're to the downside, seeing this pattern here, for me, is a bearish flag, right? Also knowing we have this level here of support turned into resistance. Once I seen the price testing here multiple times, I was looking for the break of this low here. Once we hit that price, I sent out the alert to sell it, putting our stops above here, the previous high, because it's already it's tested this multiple times, solidifying this as resistance, taking that our chance here, saying that, you know, we shouldn't be going higher than here, breaking lower than here, knowing that if we're breaking the low, our market structure should develop lower lows, and it melted into here. Our first target would be the next level, 1-to-1, 70 pip stop, 70 pip gain for the first one. We're about 10 pips away, and then we have the next levels that we're testing. If this bearish flag is to hold, then that means we would be creating lower lows in this, right? So I have multiple take profits on the way down to the next zone down here, right? Just above the zone here, what we would call it. So, and it's almost there at our TP1. We're about 5 pips away. We're about 5 pips away there. So that's the swing trade that I sent out, and that one is for VIP, but I send out a freebie, like one freebie a week to the Telegram, to the free Telegram, and that was the one I shared with Telegram. So, and it is literally almost at TP1. Come on, baby, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. It's like 2 pips away. Come on now. TP1 is at 161.30 for that swing trade. Gold is pushing down now. Gold is pushing down.
Hello, motherfucker.
GJ trade is still live. Market is just a liquid. My GJ, the swing for my GJ, I'm still in, but not my London session breakout trade. Understand the breakout strategy for London session. It's gonna be like tighter stop losses, smaller stop losses. They're scalps, right? So even though I'm in a swing sell, I'm not going to keep my London breakout strategy trade on GJ, even though it was a sell as well, because there could be a pullback, there could be retracement, and that scalp has a higher lot size because it has a smaller stop. If I allow it to pull back within the swing trade, like, it could go into more drawdown than my risk management allows, right? just to explain a few things. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's see. We are at 4,892 subscribers. Can we hit 5,000 today? That's what I'm looking for, baby. If we get to 5,000 subs today, then I will stream next week, London session. If not, I'll just stream with VIP. I'm just kidding, guys. It's I will stream if I can get the laptop in and set it up and make sure it's working. I'm supposed to get that new laptop in tomorrow. See how it goes. See how it goes. See how it goes. Do 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 do. Pew 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 pew. Man, that would have been nice. Would have been nice. Would have been nice. Yeah, I'm about like 4 pips away from TP1 on that swing for GJ. Thanks for the love, guys. 250 people on the stream, 181 likes. Much love. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. If you're new here, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex, commodities, and indices. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 12 a.m. Central Standard Time to 4 a.m. Central Standard Time. Got about 55 minutes left on the stream. We are here. We already took a win on GJ earlier. And we're just watching gold to see if it has a setup. Shout out to CJ for the GU setup, still running in profits. Nice. Nice. Shout out to CJ, killing the game, killing the game. Ooh, we're about 1 pip away from hitting TP1 on swing GJ. The one that I sent out to the free Telegram. Guys, if you're not in the free Telegram, you're missing out on some free setups, some promos, some giveaways, all that good stuff, announcements. Check it out. The link is on the screen. The link is on the screen. Oh, we about to hit DP1. Yes, let's get it. Let's get it. It's not TP2, it's TP1. I don't know why it says TP2. But that is TP1 on our GJ swing. Make sure you're adjusting your stops to break even. Taking partials.
Hello, motherfucker.
Doing what you do, but at the bare minimum, adjusting your stops to break even so you're no longer risking. If you took that GJ swing, that GJ swing looking lovely. That GJ swing looking lovely. Freaking mouse. Let's get it, let's get it. Mad username, bro. Yeah, I'm not even gonna say that name. But sure, man, that's very creative. Ryan says, how much partial should we take? Dude, it depends on your account, bro. I mean, if you have a small account, take 90%. Take the whole thing. Just depends on what your account looks like and what phase you're in, right? Are you scaling? Are you growing? Or what are you trying to do here, you know? If you're looking to make profits for the week, like secure that bag, baby. You know, don't get greedy. Don't get greedy. Don't get greedy. Yeah. Where to find your setup, CJ? CJ is in the LBFX member setups Telegram. It's a private free Telegram. You can find the link inside the free Telegram. It's pinned. In that Telegram, I'll be adding people that I feel are consistent and disciplined and trade a rules-based system to be able to validate their setups. Right now it's just CJ, but you know, I'm always paying attention to the people in the community that are sharing and, you know, proving that they know what they're doing. And you know, CJ's been killing it. It's pretty crazy. CJ will send out setups that I'll send out as well, and they're like eerily similar, like almost identical. And we don't get together beforehand and say, hey, here, this is my setup, align your setup. Like, he just sends it out and I send it out, and it's almost identical. So that's how I know CJ is killing the game. Hey Bang, sorry, fairly new to trading. Is there a broker you recommend? I'm currently using KOTX. You know, I just recently switched back to Hugo's Way. That's the one I'm using right now. But I'm trying to find one that has like tighter spreads, raw spreads, pro accounts that may have like higher commission rates, but tighter, almost 0 pip spreads. So we'll see. I understand the breakout strategy, but I can't get my head around the swing trade stuff. You know, swing trade, you got to think about it. We're moving from area to area, zone to zone, right? But we need indication of that. We need confirmation of that. So you want to see where areas are being tested, marking up zones on higher time frames, and waiting for market structure to confirm and validate that for you. How do you know there's a potential sell below 1719? I don't. I'm just saying, like, in this area, this is my breakout area. Where's my mouse at? What the hell? And this is based on price action to the left. We'll see that there's an area for it to break out. And this is the most valid area for us to potentially take a trade. And I say potential because I need to see it break and close below, read the price action there, see if the risk to reward to the first target level is worth it for us, depending on what the stop is, you know, all that good stuff to make the determination of whether or not I'll be taking a trade. What happened here? Oh, there must have
Hello,
been.
motherfucker.
That's crazy. Anyways, look, we got about 13.5 minutes left here on this candle. This one's breaking out to the downside. I'm just going to measure here our potential. If we're looking for a stop above here, about a 13, 15 pip stop, depending on where the candle closes. And our first target down here, about 30 or 57 pips. Actually, it'd be a really nice trade if it plays ball. If it plays ball. We'll see how this candle closes. We still got 13 minutes left on it, so be patient, be patient. Yeah, we got about 45 minutes left on the stream. Do you have a playbook for your entry or setup? I have a trading strategy, and in that strategy, I have a trading plan, right? That in that trading plan, I have my trading strategy, which incorporates the rules and what I'm going to be trading, when I'm going to be trading, why I'm going to be trading, what am I going to be doing during the trade, what am I looking for, and all that good stuff. What have I missed? What, brother? You missed a W on GJ for the London session. We took TP1. Our swing trade that I sent out yesterday hit TP1. And now we're just waiting for maybe a potential trade on gold. Maybe. Could be. Maybe. Just being patient, guys. Waiting. It's a waiting game. Got about 11 minutes on the candle. 11 minutes on the candle. How do you determine what lot size to use? The lot size is relative to what your risk management plan says. So if you're risking 1% of your account, you have a $100,000 account. Jesus, look at gold. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? It's all good. Got 10 minutes left on the clock for this candle. That would just put us at like a 20 pip stop. It's not bad. Still a good 1-to-1, bigger than that. So, anyways, yeah. So if you're risking 1%, guys, you have a $100,000 account. You can lose $1,000, right? That would be 1%. So then you have to divide that by how many pips you're risking. if I have a 20 pip risk, right, and I can lose $1,000, what is that lot size, right? So you would divide 1,000 by 20, which is, what is that? Fuck, I don't even know. Gosh, you got me doing math and shit. So it's $50 a pip, right? So that means you can do a 5.0 lot size, right? Which would be $50 a pip times 20 is 1,000. So if it goes 20 pips in drawdown, it loses $1,000, right? So that's how you would calculate what lot size to use. Now, an easy way to do so is using an app called Stinu, or going online to like myfxbook.com and using their position size calculator. Yeah, this thing is, that's a 30 pip stop. Jesus. I think this one's getting away from us. Damn. Yeah. Would have been a nice move. But we gotta wait for the candle to close. We got 8 minutes still. And this is like massive volume, like Jesus. Please repeat that explanation. For the lot size, you have to know how many pips you're risking, first of all. Based on your setup, see how many pips you're risking, okay? And then calculate, okay, what percentage am I willing to lose of my account? Most common is going to be 1 to 3%, okay, per trade. So if you have a $100,000 account, you're risking 1%, you can lose $1,000, okay? And if your setup says your stop loss is going to be at 20 pips, that means each pip can be worth $50 to equal that $1,000. So in order to accomplish $50 a pip, that lot size would be 5.0, 5 standard lots. That means each pip is going to be $50, which at 20 pip risk, it would be $1,000 you would lose if it hits stop loss. So you would use a 5.0 lot size. It's much easier if you guys just get the Stinu app, because you just put your account size, your risk percentage, and how many pips it is for your stop, and it'll tell you how or what lot size to use. Dude, gold is just fucking melting. Thanks, LB. Catch a US session. Hopefully a good TP on GJ. Nice. Yes, sir. I will see you New York session. New York session with VIP. Remember, guys, today's the last day to join VIP. Change is coming soon, so I won't be allowing anyone to join the VIP group as it is right now. Anyone that's already in VIP or joining VIP, there won't be changes for you guys. You guys will be fine. Let's have it again. Yes, sir. Yeah, we're gonna eat today. We've been eating. Can you please spell that app?
Hello,
Yeah,
motherfucker.
sure. Stinu app, which is spelled like that. Stinu. That's that. Have you ever used Trade Copier 3 software? Yeah, I do actually. I do have that Trade Copier 3. Got about 4.5 minutes left on the 15-minute candle here. I mean, this was a massive candle. Massive candle. And I mean, honestly, like if it closed right here, I would not get in. I would need it to close a little higher. And even then, it's like a 35 pip stop, which is kind of, well, gold is okay, like to have like a 30 pip stop, but it's kind of pushing it. Can I buy that wick on gold? I don't know, dude. You can do whatever you want. Like, I mean, why you ask me if you can buy the wick on gold? Like, I'm not even looking at a buy on here. Like, you know, you want to buy it, dude. Like, I'm not stopping you. We got 4,910 subscribers. We're 90 subscribers away from live streaming London session next week. Can we hit the 5,000, baby? Can we hit the 5,000 today? Can we hit the 5,000? If we hit 5,000 today, I will stream London session next week on YouTube. If we don't, then I'll just stream with VIP. No FOMO. Yeah, man. No FOMO, dude. Don't be... I mean, if you want to gamble, dude, like, fuck it. Do it. Like, you know. I mean, but I'm not jumping in just to jump in on an assumption on, oh, it's pushed down this much, so it's going to pull back up and take a buy to try to catch that type of reversal. Look, understand this. The market ain't got to do nothing. The market doesn't have to do anything, you know? And trust me, if you thinking, oh, it's exhausted and I can catch a buy it back to the upside, like, the market has enough room to continue to push down and stop you out before it turns around. So you are using breakout strategy in 15 minutes. Yes, this is my breakout strategy on the 15-minute is when we execute. I do top-down analysis, identify a range, and wait for candle closure. If you want to see the breakdown from start to finish, I suggest watching any of my past lives on my channel or replaying this live, and you can see the breakdown. Appreciate the love, guys. Appreciate the likes. Much love, much love. We got 6,900 likes on TikTok, and we have 196 likes on YouTube with 230 people watching. Much love. Thanks for the love. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Please, people, subscribe so we can win more next week. Hey, Banks, made 5K on my NQ futures trade. Just listening to you calms me when I trade. You're welcome, brother. I'm about to start asking for a cut. Mr. Original Bushman, there is likely going to be a pullback on the next 4-hour candle, so be careful. Yeah, I'm not jumping into this trade because this is, I mean, look at the risk to reward. You know, it would make no sense to do that. Maybe I can consider it if we pull back to this area, but that would be tricky. Thank you for the response. Well, you're most welcome. What do you do after you end stream? Depends if I have meetings to get ready for, conference calls. Sometimes I try to go to the gym. Sometimes if I'm tired, I take a nap, and then I get ready for New York session. New York session usually starts about 2.5, 3 hours after London, after I finish London stream. And yeah, that's usually what I do after the stream. You think gold will retrace, then it'll sell? It starts pushing back up into this area, and it'd be a completely different story, but nobody knows, man. Nobody knows. We got about 29 minutes left on the stream, guys. We got about 29 minutes left on the stream. Is this thing... Hopefully there's not... I don't know if it's like lagging or... Can you guys hear me okay? See me okay? Damn, gold. Would have been nice. Would have been nice. It's all good. It's all good. It's back now. Good. Good, good, good. Why you didn't get in that sell in gold? Because I wait for candle closures. So this broke here, it closed over here, and if I was to have gotten in, my stops would have been 50 plus pip stop, and my first target level is right here, which is only about 18 pips, which gives me a risk to reward of 0.35. So I wouldn't get in because the risk to reward is not there. It's not worth it to me for me to risk 50 something pips for 18 pips, you know? It's just not worth it. So we don't get in, right? We don't get in. Give tomorrow another shot at subscribers so we can have another chance of you coming on next week, please. Let's see, how many do we have? We're at 4,915. So what do we need, like 85? We got 214 people on the live. Telling me 85 of you guys can't subscribe. I don't know. I don't think all 200 people watching are already subscribed. We'll see. We'll see how we end. We got about 26 minutes left on the stream. We got about 26 minutes left on the stream. Gold just kind of disrespected us. Did not set up the way we wanted to. Let's see what GJ is doing. It looks like she's holding this level. If it doesn't break above here, keep that market structure to the downside. Keep that market structure to the downside.
Hello, motherfucker.
Hello, hello.
Hello, motherfucker.
Live Forex Trading with Lord Banks, FX.
Thanks, LB, for today's win. You're welcome, brother. I bet we are all subscribed. Who wouldn't be after watching? Yo, there's some trolls and haters, bro. They just come to watch and wait for me to take an L. Like, they ignore all the wins, and then when I take my first L in a fucking month, they're like, you see, he loses. Oh, man. But they're loyal, man. That's why I leave them in here, because they're loyal haters. They keep showing up. Yeah, I don't really care, to be honest. Like, I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing, man. Makes that scare the shit out of me. Wake up, bro. Wake up. That was your wake up call. We love Banks. Love you too, brother. I'm here for it. Here for the familia. Bro, F the haters. Yeah, man. Whether you're hating or not, like, I welcome all, man. I welcome all. I'm gonna keep showing up, keep trading, keep winning. You know, I don't come on here saying, like, I have a 100% win rate. Like, losses are part of the game. You're gonna take an L, you know? And I'm okay with that. And if you come in and you come in at a time where I take an L or a back-to-back L, like, you may seem indifferent, right? And I get that. But just stick around and just watch what happens. Like, I've been streaming for over a year. I've been trading since 2014. You know, like, there's thousands of you guys here on YouTube, thousands of you guys on TikTok. I don't think that people are just gonna, you know, looking for a buy on the gold when the next 1 hour candle confirms his pullback. Yeah, I'm not even looking on the 1 hour, bro. Been trading for a while now, and Banks is a real deal, and he knows how to trade. He's not one of those paper traders. Yes, sir, man. I think, like, at the end of the day, guys, time will tell. Time will tell, like, the people that know how to trade. First of all, if you're following anybody that claims to know how to trade, if they don't live trade with you, if you don't see that demonstration of the skill set, how do you know that they can trade? Now, if you're wondering if I can trade, like, go look at my lives. Like, I have, how many videos do I have? Let's just see. I'm curious to know how many videos do I have. How can I know? Is there like a count or something? Like, Jesus Christ, like, how do I tell how many videos I have? I don't know, but I have a ton of videos. I mean, this goes back to my first video streaming was March 12th, 2021. Okay. And it's been London session. I even traded some New York session in here. And I mean, just go to scroll, look at all the live sessions of me trading. Like, tons of videos of me trading live. So I think you can make the determination of whether or not I can trade from that, right? Love from PK. Where's PK? You never see traders trade live or even answer the people's questions. Even though I don't trade Forex, I've learned a shit ton of stuff from banks, especially controlling my mindset and emotions. Yeah, about 120. Yeah, so over 100 videos, live sessions, you know. And I mean, I'm still here, still showing up, still doing my thing. I watch all your lives and even have it okay when I trade futures during the New York sessions. Your voice calms me and makes me focus when I trade. Another real trader is Raja Banks. Following him for a few years and saw him go from 1.5 lots to 125 and take 50K to over 3 million. His main advice is manage risk. So kudos to those like him and LB, put it all out there. Warts and all. Yeah, man. I mean, you know, I'm not here to... I know there's a lot of like traders out there that just highlight the wins, right? But win or lose, man, it's here, it's live. Like, you know, I'm not running away from anything. Like, this is the game. This is the game. We the banks. Oh, PK's Pakistan. Those fake furus only can example what happened after the trade but can't do it live. Yeah, I think that's like, that should be your first red flag. Right? Yeah, I just, anyone can look at a chart after the fact and tell you, oh yeah, it's gonna go this way or this way. Anyone can win once the move has been made. Excuse me. Oh. Yep, no losses, clear sign of bullshit. Yeah, nobody has, man, if somebody tells you they have 100% win rate, you need to fucking run the other way. No losses, clear sign of BS for sure, 100%. They never post their losses, lol, only brag about their wins. Yeah, because they're selling a dream, guys. You know what I'm saying? Like, you understand, especially when you're talking about a way to potentially make money. They're prepackaging their own dream or repackaging their own dream and selling it back to you, you know? Selling you this idea that, oh, it's quick, easy, fast money. You'll become a millionaire tomorrow. And although you can make a lot of money doing this, and it's profitable, and you can make it happen, and it is simple, it's not easy. You know, there's a lot of different, in trading, you have to understand there's different facets to this. Like, you have to, like, each one, you have to become better and better to level up, right? First, you have to know the functions and what you're actually doing, the terms and the lingo, and know how to manage risk, you know, stop losses and calculate pips and all that good stuff. And then be able to analyze a chart, be able to, you know, control your emotions, manage a trade. You have to be able to be okay with the losses. You have to be able to journal your trades. You have to be able to review those trades, you know, and make adjustments as needed. Like, all of those things contribute, like, incrementally to your skill set and overall skill as a trader, right? Like, with those things, like, with each one is just as important as the other, right? And like, if you just focus on, oh, like, I'm just gonna I want to be able to read price action good or market structure, or like, if you do that but you don't know how to manage risk, you're gonna lose eventually. You know, if you're just all about, oh, okay, risk management, but you don't know how to analyze the chart, you're going to take consistent L's, you know? So, like, and another thing, like, you know, maybe you're at the type of trader that is trading and you go into drawdown and it's hasn't hit your stop and you're in drawdown and you close too early and you take a loss and then it turns around on you. Or you're a trader that it goes into profit, it's a nice profit, but you're greedy and you want to keep holding on. You don't secure any profits, you don't move your stops to break even, and then it goes and reverses and hits your stop. Like, I firmly believe if you're in profits, you shouldn't take a loss. Like, you shouldn't have to take a loss. Like, if your trader's going into profits, you know how to win. And if you're taking losses, you need to reanalyze what you're doing and figure out a better way to do it, you know? Let's see here. I'm selling Euro USD in 2 minutes. Are you? Sorry to explain, not example. Well, I love you, man. Love you too, brother. Man, you are good, but I already lost in the morning, but I will follow you tomorrow. And what time you finish your stream? I'm done at 4 a.m., so I got about 14 minutes left on the stream. My win rate is on average about 90%. 90% when I'm like on a streak and doing good, but I would say on average about 80%. We won yesterday on London and lost one on London, so we were 1-1. Today we won and we only took one, so right now I'm 2-1 on for the week London streams. VIP, we hit TP1 on GJ swing, that's a win. We won New York session scalp, that was a win. I called a US 30 intraday trade, that was a loss, so we're 2-1 on VIP as well. So I measure those differently because like the VIP and the trades that I'm taking on that is not the trades that I'm taking in my account for the scalps and London sessions. JB, I think you might need a little hard rock or metal to switch it up at times. I'm too mellow now. Working is a challenge. Yeah, bro, I would love to, but the thing is when I do that, I get like dinged on my YouTube for copyright stuff, and then they mute my videos, and then like people that are watching it after the fact can't like hear the audio. You know, I end up getting blocked on different countries and stuff, so trading is hard. Kanika Bin. The psychology of trading is hardest to master. I think there's levels to it, right? You know, the first level is mastering being able to have the confidence in your setups, right? Rewiring your mindset to think and act as a winner, you know? And then once you get to that point, being able to have the psychology and emotional detachment really to manage your trades, right? And then above that is having the psychology to be able to scale and see the larger numbers and not be affected by it, right? Because, for example, if you have a small account and you're in drawdown $100, you're like, oh, it's just $100. But have you been in a larger account and seen a drawdown of 10,000, of 20,000? You know, like the percentage is going to be the same, but you see a bigger number on the screen. Being able to, you know, fortify your confidence and the belief in yourself and being okay with that, not freaking out because it's a larger number, right? Same thing for when you're in profits, right? Like it could be a large number that you're in profits, but you know, it's halfway to your TP, or you haven't, you know, hit TP1, or you know, you haven't adjusted your stops to break even, like, you know, you're taking profits too early, like the percentage gain for your account is not going to be the same. So being able to work through that. Do you trade Euro USD? I mean, if the setup is available, you know, I don't trade it here in the London session. I trade a specific strategy and specific pairs here for you guys. You know, what I'm trying to accomplish with the lives, guys, is demonstrate, you know, that routine and that discipline. I come in and I do the exact same things for the exact same pairs over and over and over and over and over. That is to demonstrate what it's required to be able to hammer down a strategy and be, consistent and profitable. Like, so I'm not going to go into all my other pairs and all my other strategies and all my other, look, this is what I'm doing here, and that's what I'm demonstrating. All that extra stuff, like, that's why I have the VIP. We do intradays in there, we do swings in there, and I'm in there explaining, I'm in there sharing the charts, I'm in there sharing breakdowns, like, I send out trade ideas, with target levels, like that's separate, that's different, right? But for this London session, I'm trying to demonstrate just one thing and how you can be successful just doing one thing. For real, man, charting is easy. Controlling your emotions, mindset is hard. Got to work on psychology when trading. FOMO and trying to hit a home run on each trade is what kills most. Yep, 100%. Yep, and greed and being scared to lose money, being fearful when trading. You have to be confident and just trade your trade plan and don't think about the profits or the money. Yep, Moneyball, the movie, is a perfect example of how trading should be seen, in my opinion. They won by building a team that got on base. Yeah, man, I think that's why I talk about, one of the best pieces of advice I could give people that are starting on their journey is, like, their trading journey, is focus on the skill. Focus on, are you following your rules? Is this following your strategy? Are you being disciplined? Is the routine working? Are you documenting? Like, all those little things, the details, right? The details. And not, oh, I made $100 today. Oh, I made $1,000 today. Oh, I'm trying to make $500 a day. Or, oh, I wanna hit $10,000 a day. Or I wanna. When you come into this game and you're focused on the money, it will elude you. You will lose every single time. Like, don't focus on the money, because when you focus on the money, financial things cause emotional reaction. Emotional reaction causes different ideas to run through your mind, and you're not objective anymore, right? So when you're trading and you're trading from an emotional standpoint, like, you're not going to be objective to the charts. You're going to begin to see things that do not exist and rationalize on why you should remove your stop loss or increase your stop loss, or, oh, it's going to turn around any minute, or, oh, it's pushing down a lot, I got to get in because it's got to turn around. The market ain't got to do nothing. Like, the market has way more liquidity in it than you think to hold a trade. It will bust your account. It will blow your account. And all that comes from if you're focusing on that monetary gain, you will start to make exceptions. You will start to bend your rules. You will start to break your rules. You will not follow your routine, your plan, your strategy. Everything will go out the window, and that's when you mess up. That's when you blow accounts. That's when you lose. That's a recipe for disaster, right? So you can't jump into this focusing on the money, focusing on the monetary gains. You got to jump into this focusing on the skill, wanting to get better at this game, wanting to get better at building the skills, right? And only then will you start to see exponential growth, exponential results, like really, really getting into your own as a trader, because every trader is unique to their style and their way of doing things, right? Do you trade commodities in the VIP? Yeah, I trade gold. I trade gold. I'll have gold setups that I send out. I haven't sent out a gold setup in a while because I haven't had an entry for it. I love your consistency, Banks. You don't change your strategy like other people if the trade goes against you. Yeah. No, man, I just keep it simple, stupid. I'm trying to, like, what I do here on the live streams, it's one of the most simplest yet most effective methods and strategies to use. Like, you can't go wrong with this. And you don't underestimate what 10, 15, 20 pips a day can do for you. Trust me. Trust me. You know, you may not be happy with 10, 15, 20 pips because you have a small account, but keep showing up, keep compounding, keep building, and soon enough, that 10, 15, 20 pips is going to be nice. The solution to that is massively reducing position sizing and risk. The caveat to that is being patient and accepting the smaller gains, but the results will come. Yeah, for sure, for sure. Wise words from the Zen master. Do. We got about 3 minutes left here on the live stream, guys. 3 minutes left. Nothing set up for us to take a second trade. We'll take the one win that we got on GJ earlier today. We'll thank the markets. We'll come back again tomorrow, do the same thing. If you're in my VIP, we will be live for VIP, a New York session. We'll scalp US 30 once again. Guys, if you don't have at least minimum $1,500 account, do not try to scalp and trade US 30. You will blow your account. Even at $1,500, it's going to be tight. So be careful with that. Don't try to overtrade. Don't try to take a chance on it. It's just not smart move. But other than that, let's see where we are for our subs. 49.28. We need 72 more subscribers. 72 more subscribers, and we will stream next week, London session. Thank you for today's session. You're most welcome. People overcomplicate trading, even charting. People think that you have to have a PhD to read a chart. It's a mindset that is the hardest, like you said. Yes, sir. There are many people who use this strategy and make living. Make live trading sessions. Yeah, you know, and the strategy, this is not a new unknown thing. Like, there's different breakout strategies. The way I execute the breakout strategy is specific to me and how I trade, right? For anyone wondering, getting on base is akin taking TP1 and banking even 10 pips. Brother, when to buy gold? I have no idea, man. I mean, whenever gold is ready. IG traders have been the bane. Yes, there are some real ones out there, but by and large, the risks they take are astronomical. Yeah, charting, you are just connecting areas of support and resistance or trend lines where price hit multiple times. It's hard at first, but then it comes easy. You just had to put the screen time. Yeah, bro, what's the name of the music in the background? Good afternoon from Thailand, sir. Good afternoon. Thank you, brother. You're most welcome. The music is focus music for work and studying, background music for concentration, study music. Anyways, I just got to win. Nice. Congratulations, brother. We are at our time, guys. It's 4 a.m. That is my time. We took a W here. We are currently 2-1 on the London sessions. We took 2 trades yesterday, 1-1, and we took 1 today. That was a W, and we'll just keep it moving, guys. New York session live for my VIP, and other than that, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Much love. And thanks for the support. Thanks for the subs. Thanks for the likes. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Trading session in the books. Executing analysis, strategy, and discipline. Thank you for joining us for this live trading session with Lord Banks. Subscribe and turn on alerts so you don't miss the next Lord Banks live trading session.